Hi, this is Eugenia from I Promise. If you're looking for delicious, healthy, and easy appetizer to serve your guests, then this video is for you. Today I will be making roasted eggplant hummus. This recipe is great with whole grain pita wedges or high fiber crackers. And as with all of our recipes, this hummus is packed with ingredients that are so good for the eyes. So let's get started. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. For more recipes like this or other eye health related videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.